Magandang araw at maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumati sa akin sa aking kaarawan. Mga Malabonians, pinapakilala ko ang ating programa, Casa Pogi, tahanan ng bawat poging Malabonian. Casa means home. At sa isang pamilya, lahat may halaga. Kaya't lahat ng sektor kasama dito. Una, ang ating kabataan. Casa Kabataan. Ang kabataan, ang enerhiya ng Malabon. Kaya we started Project TIA. Tamang suot, isang trabaho, angat pamilya. Dito, 100 fresh grads ang nabigyan ng power outfits at agad nakapang-job interview. Through DOLE's Government Internship Program or GIP, 160 kabataan ang tumulong sa Barangay Skills Survey. At malapit na nating ilunsad ang Digital Upskilling Program para sa 500 youth ngayong taon. Casa Seniors, ang ating mga lolo't lola ang wisdom keepers. Through DOLE, inilunsad natin ang Mas Poging Tupad, kung saan 200 senior patrollers ang tumulong sa kaligtasan ng barangay. Health is wealth. 1,200 seniors ang nabigyan ng serbisyo sa PhilHealth Yakap Caravans at Pogi Medical Missions. Just a few days ago, we launched Poging Paningin, libreng cataract extraction para luminaw muli ang paningin ng ating mga mahal na seniors. Our target, 2,000 seniors para sa wellness checks at joyful activities. We recognize our solo parents. Casa Solo. Solo parents carry double the load. Nung huling linggo ng Agosto, 50 solo parents ang nakatanggap ng livelihood tools gaya ng barbecue stalls, karinderya equipment, at tailoring kits. Target natin, ma-empower ang 300 sa pamamagitan ng parenting circles at support systems. Casa Abilidad. PWDs deserves inclusion, not pity. With Rotary Club of Manila 101, PAGCOR at DOH, nakapagbigay tayo ng 70 wheelchairs. Over 150 PWDs joined our Yakap caravans. Ang susunod, job matching and inclusive training para sa 200 PWDs. Casa Rainbow. Diversity is strength. From the Malabon Pink Pride Society, lumawak na tayo sa Casa Rainbow. Over 100 LGBTQIA+, empowered through safe spaces and mentorship. Ang balak natin, 3 major advocacy events at leadership networks para sa 500 youth. Casa One, our men are vital partners. Over 300 tatays joined the Mas Poging Tupad program as the cloggers, and more to come. Target natin, livelihood and skills development for 500 men. And of course, the women. Happy Pinay, happy empowered women. Programs for them include Pera Pinay, financial literacy, Alaga Pinay, health, and Ginhawa Pinay, resilience. Target natin, 500 women empowered across all 21 barangays. To reduce poverty, Jobs Connect Cooperative, connecting skills, creating opportunities. Education must connect to jobs. Through our barangay skills inventory, sinimulan natin ang survey ng skills. Goal natin, makapag-match tayo ng 1,000 or more Malabonians with stable jobs in the next 3 years. My dear friends, colleagues, acquaintances, and family, wala pang 100 days pero nakita na natin ang Casa Pogi in action. 1,967 families ang nakatanggap ng ayuda sa ilalim ng AKAP program, dagdag ginhawa para sa pagkain, gamot, pamasahe, at iba pang pangangailangan sa araw-araw. At hindi dito nagtatapos, tuloy-tuloy pa ang Casa Pogi para mas maraming makasama sa ating mga livelihood, skills training, at support initiatives. Mas marami pang pamilyang matutulungan at mabibigyan ng ginhawa. Sa Casa Pogi, bawat sektor ay may halaga. Kabataan, may kinabukasan. Seniors, may dignidad at malinaw na paningin. Solo parents, may lakas ng loob. PWDs, may kakayahan. LGBTQIA+, may kulay at pagmamahal. Tatay, may malasakit, kababaihan, empowered. At bawat Malabonian, may oportunidad. Kaya tuloy na tayo sa Casa Pogi, tahanan ng bawat poging Malabonian. Mabuhay ang Malabon. Mabuhay tayong lahat.